Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDCAD. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to say that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. But we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times, okay? So with that being said, let's break down this chart and this forex pair, okay? So let's dive in what's happening with this CAD. The CAD is a very unique currency within itself, okay? And this is solely due to the fact that the CAD is, well, naturally just how all the other currencies' strengths and weaknesses are determined by how strong their economy is. The CAD has also one other factor to include in that, and that is the price of oil. And this is just solely because that Canada, believe it or not, is one of the major world oil producers outside of Russia and outside of the Middle East. Canada produces a good number of the world's oil. And being that this is one of its country's major natural resources, it has a direct effect on its economy. So anytime oil prices are high, the Canadian dollar is strengthened. Anytime oil prices are down, then the Canadian dollar is weakened. Okay. And being that the Canadian dollar has been one of our lukewarm currencies since the beginning of this trading year, it has been the price of gas and what's happening with oil that has determined whether it's going to be one of our stronger currencies or whether it's going to be one of our weaker currencies. Okay. And actually, we're coming into this week with the CAD actually being one of our somewhat one of our stronger currencies, and this is solely due to oil because the Canadian government is going through the same type of inflation just like the US government, but unlike the US government, the Canadian government has oil that it can rely on. Okay? And being that this inflation is actually being driven by high oil prices is a very unique situation in which if oil prices get higher, inflation goes, but if oil prices get higher, inflation goes, their dollar gets more valuable. So it's a very unique economic time we're living in between the Canadian dollar and the oil. Okay. Now the USD, due to the geopolitics related between Russia and Ukraine, has a non-traditional relationship with oil. And this is solely due to the fact of all the sanctions that NATO and the US have put on Russian oil around the world. The sanctions they placed on Russian oil around the world caused an artificial decrease in the circulating volume of oil, which also caused prices to skyrocket. Okay. So here in America, it's just a very simple, straight rated formula. If we pay more money at the pump, we spend less money in the stores. Less money in the store means a stagnating or weakening economy. Stagnating or weakening economy means a weakening US dollar. Okay. If we spend less money at the pumps and more money at the stores, then that means our economy grows. A growing economy means a stronger US dollar. So both these currency pairs are both contingent on oil. So oil is going to be the great deciding factor for what is happening when it comes to the USDCAD. Okay. And at this present point, oil is very strong, so we're going to continue to see a strengthening of the CAD. Okay. Now let's talk about what is happening with the charts. Okay. So we're going to see a very, very slight pickup in price, so we may get as high as here and here, but then we're going to continue to go down because it definitely does not look like the selling is over, especially with how weak the USD is. So we can drop as far as here, drop as far as here, or drop as far as here before we start to range back out. Okay. So we're going to be looking for a continuation of the drop. We can drop as far as here. We could drop as far as here, or we could drop as far as here. Okay, before we start to see ranges and price going back up again. Okay. Now, if you guys enjoy our content, we ask that you guys please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up to date and notifications on every time we drop new trading content and Forex videos. Okay. Also, we ask that you guys please like and share the videos. Liking and sharing the videos will allow us to continue to build our community of profitable traders, because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Okay. Also, last but not least, we ask that you guys please reach out to us and let us know what type market analysis videos you guys want to see. By letting us know what type market analysis videos you guys do want to see, we know how to best accommodate and serve you. Okay. What you can do is you can leave a comment in whatever video you do watch about whatever chart that you do want broken down, or you can email us or reach out to us through our various social medias. The links to our emails and our social medias in every description of every video. Please reach out to us and let us know what market analysis videos you guys do want to see, so we know how to best to accommodate and serve you. And with that being said, happy trading.